What is loan provided by Shopee? That is S loan or SH loan powered by Shopee website. That is a shopping website. And then how can you get loan from that website on your mobile phone? So let's read all of the requirements for that loan and just get to know that how can you reply or how can you apply from your mobile phone. So let's hop onto the Shopee official website here. That is what is S loan. Make sure to activate your S loan and get up to PHP 1 lakh in loan that you can withdraw and use anytime, anywhere. The credit limit is based on their internal credit assessment criteria for eligible buyers. After successfully activating your S loan account, you may request a S loan withdrawal up to the amount of the approved credit limit of your account. As you can see that this is your Shopee or S loan account here. You simply have to click on this account here and then click on the activate now button. After that, you can simply apply for the loan and then get the loan into your bank account within some hours. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos and updates like this.